Okay, y'all. So today's my mother's birthday, and she's been wanting a pit puppy for so long. Look how beautiful. And she knew that these dogs. Okay, so my friend's friend had just had puppies, and they're ready to go. So, anyways, not just, but you know, they're ready to go. And my dad last night said that he wasn't having no more puppies, blah blah blah. So she knows these dogs exist, but she doesn't think she's getting them. And then today, he takes me and said, "Go pick it up for her birthday." So I've got her a puppy, and I'm gonna record her reaction because she's gonna be so excited. It's not even gonna be funny, and it's gonna be a whole surprise. Look at that sweet face. This is all he's done the whole way home. She's on her way now, but I wanted to show y'all what I got because I'm putting it in the birthday bag. So I got it this Chase and Chomp Halloween collection squeaky float. I don't know. I also got it this play toy that's gonna be too big for it right now, but he'll definitely grow into it. This chew toy because he likes to chew already, so. And I feel like it's small enough to fit in his little mouth. And I got these little bitty treats for puppies. Look how cute. Because these are soft and squishy, so I think he'll be able to chew on them. A squeaky toy, which I'm not going to squeeze right now because my other dogs are in here and they'll go crazy. And a little candy corn. I also got him this bed, but he'd rather sleep on this and his food. We're still moving into this house right now, like going through moving. So there's nothing in that room, so it'll be perfect. It's going to be the laundry room, and it don't even have a washer and dryer in it yet. So I think I'm going to set my phone up in here, and hopefully she'll come into the kitchen first because it's right by the kitchen. We'll see. She's almost here. Here he is. So I'm about to set my phone up.
What's that bed there? What's that bed? What's the living room? Oh. The reaction I wanted. What are y'all doing? It's gonna kill y'all. I'm gonna kill y'all. Daddy, what if they told you a good idea? What if they told you he's the one that gave me the money? Oh, and said that. I should be able to. Oh gosh, he's so pretty.
Mary will be having puppies soon.
And you stalked her on my apartment.
Whatever.
Did she tell you?
Yeah.
He's like, can I go talk to her? I'm like, I guess. Does she have it yet? Are you ready?
Okay.
Oh, Gabe, I'm so sorry. Are you mad?
You're
So happy, Gabe, from Kennedy.
You want to carry him? Here,
so happy.
sit down with him. We'll take your picture. Sit down. Not on the couch. On the ground. Sit down. Hold him. We'll take your... don't be scared. Hold him like this.
I know you love
I hate love, but if I fall for you, I'll never recover. If I fall for you, I'll never be the same.
Okay, y'all. So tomorrow's my boyfriend's birthday, and for a very long time, really since I've known him, he's wanted a golden doodle. That's what dog he wanted when he could, able to get a dog again. So unfortunately, I had already bought him something for his birthday, so I've been actually hinting at that gift, because yep. So the video is to come later. He has no idea. Okay, y'all. My heart is about to explode. He's on his way home. I'm so nervous, and I hope that it all works out. But here's my little setup. And then she'll be in there. Oh, my heart.
You like it, babe?
Crawfish in there?
You like it?
Yeah.
You gotta open her.
Sorry.
Are you so excited?
Diamond dog puppy?
Food.
Oh. Oh, puppy sleeping.
He's so excited.
You been in here snuggling all day?
Puppy, come here. Are you sleeping? You been in here snoozing?
Where'd you go?
I love her.
Now we gotta come up with a name. Oh, you a sweet thing. Love you.
Love you. Come here. What do you look like? What kind of dog do you look like? Come up with a name. Gotta come up with a name.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like pets, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The featured clips in our video are used with permission from the original video owners. The highlight clips can be done by our fans. If you see a clip that you own that you did not submit or give consent for use, we have likely received false permissions and would be happy to resolve this for you.